In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage DNS in GoDaddy. First, log into your GoDaddy account and open your domain portfolio. This dashboard lists all the domains you own and is the starting point for managing settings. Find the domain you want to work on, then click the DNS button next to its name. That takes you to the DNS records page where you can see all existing records and make changes. To add something new, click Add New Record. You'll start by choosing the record type. Pick A, CNAME, MX, or TXT based on what you're setting up. An A record points a hostname to an IPv4 address, and it's what you use to send traffic to a specific server. A CNAME makes one name an alias of another, useful when you want a subdomain to follow another host's destination. MX records direct email for your domain to the correct mail server. TXT records store text-based data, commonly for domain verification or email authentication. Next, fill in the name. If you want the record to apply to your main domain, use the @ symbol. If you want a subdomain, type just the prefix like blog, shop, or mail. That means blog becomes blogyourdomain.com. You don't need to add the domain again in this field, and you generally shouldn't include dots or the full domain unless a provider specifically asks for it. Now enter the value. For an A record, this is the destination IP address provided by your hosting or service. For a CNAME, enter the target host name, not a full URL, so no HTTP or HTTPS. For MX, use the mail server hostname from your email provider. For TXT, paste the exact string you were given. Accuracy is crucial here. Extra spaces, missing characters, or typos will prevent the record from working. Set the TTL or time to live. Leaving it at default, typically around 1 hour, is a good choice for most situations. TTL controls how long other DNS servers cache your record before refreshing. If you're actively testing and want quicker updates, choose a shorter TTL, then switch back to default once everything is stable. When you're confident the details are correct, save the record. You'll see it appear in the list. Keep in mind that DNS changes don't update everywhere instantly. Depending on caching and the TTL you chose, it can take a little while for changes to be recognized across the internet. That's the process. Open your domain portfolio, go to DNS for the domain, add a new record, choose the correct type, set the name, fill in the value, pick a suitable TTL, and save. Double check for duplicates or conflicting entries, especially when using the same name on A and SNAME records, to avoid routing issues. You're all set to manage DNS in GoDaddy with confidence.